Do you like weekends?
Yes, I like weekends. Most of the Saturday and Sunday. Uh, these days are my family days, so I like weekends.
Okay, what do you usually do on weekend?
Uh, Usually, I do many works in weekends because in usually the remaining 5 days of the week, Monday to Friday, I was busy in my different
I
works.
remain busy.
I remain busy in my different activities, studies, etc. So I would like to wind up in remaining assignments works in my weekend days.
Do you prefer to spend your weekend indoors or outdoors?
I would like to prefer.
I would
I
like to prefer is wrong. I would prefer to
I would prefer to indoor spending of my
indoor
weekends.
spending of my weekend is grammatically wrong. I would prefer to spend my weekend indoors
Okay.
because I like indoor activities like playing any
Mm.
indoor game
Okay,
like
sir.
badminton. So whenever there's something like that, you need to
Okay, sir.
elaborate your answer.
Okay, sir.
If you demonstrate limited language
जी
skill,
जी.
examiner will give you very low bench score.
Okay, sir.
Okay? All
जी.
right, let's go on. Next one, please. Do you like wearing t-shirts?
Yes, I like wearing t-shirts in summers mostly because of the weather. Uh,
This answer is short. You need to add some more. Okay. What is your favorite color of T-shirt?
I often use to many colors, but I like to wear a black color. Black color is my most favorite color
Why?
because it's goes any jeans, any shorts.
Okay. How often do you buy T-shirts?
I I I would love to buy t-shirts many times because of I have to go to the uh, for a
Come on. Okay. Do you prefer to wear T-shirts in summer or in winter?
yes, I would love to wear t-shirts in summers because of the weather's conditions and the the winter season you can't wear the t-shirts.
Okay. You're adding S unnecessarily, like weathers, summers. So you should overcome that. And your answers are extremely short. You need to add some more to your answers. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Next one, please. Okay, let's make us start. Do you like to listen to music or do you like music?
Yes, I like to listen music because when I feel free, I want to take some motivation. So most of the time, I try to listen Punjabi songs.
Okay. When do you listen to music?
Uh, I am a software engineer, so when I do work, I listen in the background and try to work with our development area like
Oh,
IDE. So that's
okay.
why I like to listen music while I'm working.
Okay, good. Do you prefer to listen to loud music or low music?
I would like to listen loud music
Why?
because I want to take some entertainment.
Entertainment.
Entertainment. So that's why I want to listen music loudly.
Who is your favorite singer and why?
My favorite singer is Sidhu Moosewala. So most of the time I listen motivation musics.
I
So
listen to motivational music.
I listen to motivational music because these singer has all these type of music. So that's why I listen Sidhu Moosewala music.
Okay, I listen to the songs of Sidhu Moosewala, something like
Yeah.
that, okay? Grammar and fluency, two main issues, okay? Work on
Okay.
them. Let's go on. Okay. Do you like to wear jewelry? Like any ring or anything like that?
I just like to wear ring.
Why?
I think it's a part of personality as well as it's a sunnah of our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam.
Okay, this answer is extremely short. You need to add some more. Okay? And in the beginning, you have given an expression that I will give a short answer. So you need to elaborate further. Okay? All right. What type of weather do you like?
I usually like rainy weather because it brings some comfort from summer as well as it's good impression on on my mood.
Okay, it impacts
Oh,
positively our
mood.
moods.
Yes.
Okay, proper sentences. All right. Do you prefer cold or hot weather?
I prefer cold weather because because we do a lot of activities during this weather and and we and we have opportunity to
Okay. Do you prefer dry weather or wet weather? Dry weather is sunny day, wet weather is rainy day. So you should answer properly. You're taking a lot of time to produce the answer and you're speaking word by word. You need to speak sentence by sentence. So try to do a lot of practice together. Okay, that'll help you. Next one. Okay, do you like technology?
Yes, I like technology. Nowadays, I recently done my intermediate in computer technology. So nowadays, this is very essential for us.
What type of electronic devices do you use on daily basis?
Uh, on daily basis, as everyone use mobile phone because it's very essential for
I'm
us.
talking about you. Don't say everyone. Say
Okay.
I
I
use.
use mobile phone because whenever I go anywhere and I don't know the exact location, so I'll Google and go to that destination with the help of my
Is
mobile
there
phone.
any technology that you want to buy?
Yes, nowadays I want to buy a laptop because I need because after my intermediate, so I am in next level. So I use that laptop in my developing skills.
Is technology expensive in your country?
It depends upon the type of technology. Either it is a normal routine use technology or for different or important uses. So there are different quality of technology. If the quality is low quality, then it is not expensive. It's a good quality, then it will obviously expensive.
Okay. All right, good. Speak actively, energetically, use a variety of words, okay? Not the limited vocabulary. Let's go on. Do you use social media?
Yes, I used social media like WhatsApp, Facebook, and other. I most spend time in. I most spend time.
Okay, answer is incomplete and short. Okay, what is your most favorite social media platform?
My favorite social media platform is Facebook, uh, because there are many people in Facebook. I chat with people, uh, and mm,
Okay, let's go on. Do you like WhatsApp?
yes, I like WhatsApp because I send message friend and with friends and other people. Uh, Sometime I send uh, I send videos, pictures with friends and family.
Okay. All right. You need to speak more and you need to practice a lot because you're speaking only words. So you should make proper sentences and you are lacking ideas. Practice all these topics, you will be fine. Right? Okay. Thank you.